Alright guys, now you've learned how to shuffle a deck, you know how to false cut a deck, let's go ahead and work on something a little bit more advanced. I'm going to teach you how to top retain a card. This is very important if you're doing a stacked deck trick or you have to know what the top card is at all times. It's very easy to do. I'm going to retain the card using a riffle shuffle. It's very simple. All you do is you split the deck into two packets and you do a normal riffle shuffle. Looks just like that. Except what you're going to do is you're going to hold on to that top card and you're going to make sure that top card in the packet of maybe 5 or 10 cards it's with drops last. Just like that. Now to the spectators it looks like you just shuffled the deck. Truthfully, I only shuffled about 75% of the deck. Now I'm going to do this one more time for you, but this time I'm going to turn the top card over. The top card is the 7 of hearts. Watch carefully, because that 7, while it looks like I legitimately shuffled the deck, the 7 doesn't move from its top position. I'm going to do it one more time with the 7 face up exposed so you can follow at home. Watch. Split the deck into 2 pieces. Shuffle, making sure the 7 drops last, and square. Once again, it looks just like this when you speed it up. Your spectators won't suspect anything. That is a top retention.